Create custom proposals for your bookkeeping clients. Every firm is unique, which is why sending contracts through automation is rarely possible when offering bookkeeping services. Instead, most firms rely on a set of services with prices and a general proposal template that can be customized for each client. To set up your services, go to the Services page under the Templates section. From there, you can create as many services as you need. You may import existing services from QuickBooks or create entirely new ones. When adding new services, categorize, add a description, define the rate, specify if it is charged per item or per hour, and indicate whether it will be taxed. Once your services are ready, navigate to the Firm Templates section and open the Proposals and Engagement Letters sub-tab. Here, you can create a new one from scratch. Proposals are structured in sections, with each section displayed on a separate page. The General page allows you to decide which sections are included. By toggling sections on or off, you can control what appears in the final proposal. For example, you might keep the Introduction and Terms pages in the template for all clients, while leaving Services and Invoices turned off so that they can be added later for each specific proposal. When customizing the selected sections, the Introduction page can serve as a space to introduce yourself, while the Terms page can hold your engagement letter or contract outlining the conditions of your client relationship. Once complete, save the template for future use. To send a proposal, click the New button and select Proposal. Choose a client and then select your bookkeeping template. Depending on the situation, you can add invoices or simply provide a price list of services. Since the Introduction and Terms are already ready, focus instead on the Services section. Here, you have 3 paths. If your goal is to provide the client with terms of agreement and a service price list without issuing an invoice, simply select the bookkeeping service and send it as is. In this scenario, no invoice or deposit request is created automatically, so you will need to generate one separately once the proposal is signed. The recommended option streamlines the process by allowing you to include both the agreement and a request for recurring payments. This works especially well for clients receiving monthly bookkeeping services, as it can be set up as a subscription. Create a package by giving it a name. Select the option to request payments and choose where you want manual or auto-pay. By adding a recurring invoice for your monthly bookkeeping service, you ensure that once the client signs, the first invoice is automatically issued and paid every month. Subsequent invoices will then follow on schedule and be processed without requiring additional effort from you. This approach not only saves time, but also ensures a smooth and reliable payment collection process. Now, you just have to send it.